Now I will show you how could we set up the programming environment. First, what we need to do is we set up the Java development. So what you do is you go to any search engine, type in Java SDK. That's the software development kit, okay, and click on the first link, should be fine. And you have Java SDK, okay, and what you can do is you can download the Java SDK SE 6, and we say download GDK, and make sure that you select the correct platform, okay. And here we say Windows 64 bits, okay. And see, download, accept the license agreement. Okay, pick the 64-bit. Okay, and we should be able to save it. So it's just on the desktop. Now the downloading process start. Let's take a break. Now the GDK is downloaded. What we can do is we go through the installation process. Okay. And make sure that you know where you have installed the GDK. And it takes a few minutes for you to install. Now, after everything is done, we are ready for the next step. Try to install Eclipse. So now you see that everything has been installed. We click on finish and finish up the process. And let's get back to the web browser and goes to a search engine again. Try to search for Eclipse. Okay, and you get the Eclipse. Click on downloads, and the first one should be good, and we get Windows 64 bits. Pick the correct image, and we try to save it. Again, we save on the desktop. Probably takes a little bit to finish. Now we get everything. We have it on the desktop. We try to extract it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract to essentially to see Eclipse. Okay, and it will take a little bit of time to finish. Now we are about done, and after we are done, we have this Eclipse. Okay, and this is the program that you need to run. And what we are going to do is we're going to create a shortcut, see what that. Create a shortcut. Okay. Create shortcut. Okay, and then we drag the shortcut to the desktop, and we have a quick shortcut. And we double click on it, and you run it, and you will see Eclipse is loading. And the first time we will load it, takes a little bit of time. It will ask you, a workspace, okay? And the workspace is where you are going to store, all the files that you need to work on. Okay, so make sure that you pick, a place that you would remember. And I'm just going to use the default one. I click on OK. The Eclipse will continue to load. Okay, now Eclipse get loaded, and you have a welcome screen. It has a very, very basic tutorial. I just close that, and here, we're ready to go. Okay.